Hey y'all, it's Sheila. Thank you for stopping by and spending a piece of your day with me. I appreciate it. I've been missing in action. Thank you all who reached out to me, phone calls, texts, private messages on YouTube, Facebook. I appreciate them all. I had two little stumbling blocks, nothing related to breast cancer or surgery, none of that, just two stumbling blocks. One of them was I had a flare-up, a major flare-up with my rosacea. And I know why that happened. Yeah, and that's what we're talking about today. We're talking about my lack of skincare. I had told you in a video a month or so ago that I had pretty much not been doing any skincare. And you know, for about a month and a half, 2 months maybe, it wasn't a problem. But the last 2 weeks, I looked like a 56-year-old with chicken pox. It wasn't pretty. The only thing I was doing was washing my face in the morning and the evenings, twice at night, and putting on one serum, a sample bottle of a serum from Lancome. That's what I took to the hospital with me. And that's what I was using. And I was thinking, yeah, my skin's doing great. Maybe I don't need to do all that other stuff. I didn't do any exfoliation. I didn't do my derma rolling. I didn't do but 1 or 2 masks, which is unusual for me. I usually mask 4 to 6 days a week. I didn't do any of that. And suddenly one day I was sitting up here putting on my makeup, and for the first time in my life, I had dry skin on my face. I swear by these NeoCell products. Y'all have heard me mention that multiple times. But I wasn't doing anything to my face. I noticed some new fine lines pop up. Not quite wrinkles, but some new fine lines. My forehead was like that of an alligator. And I realized I had quite the buildup of dead skin. I was using no acids on my face like I typically do, and it just caught up with me. My skin needed to be resuscitated. I am easing back into my skincare routine slowly. After a flare-up with rosacea, I have to ease back in slowly. I have started back on the Retin-A. I think Retin-A helps to keep the rosacea flare-ups at bay. I know it helps with the seborrheic keratosis because those on my face got a lot darker too. So in a month or so, few weeks, month, I'll update you on where I'm at with my skincare and what I'm using. I am starting back slowly. I have exfoliated 4 times this week to get the crud off my face. The other thing that I wanted to update you on, I found a new bath product. The NeoCell keeps me from being dry from here down. My legs and my arms, it stops the dry itching. It has just been a game changer for me. I've said that before. But now I'm putting on some sunless tanner, and I have yet to find a sunless tanner that does not dry me out some. The 2 that I am using dry me out some, but they don't streak, they don't smudge, they don't smear, and they wear off nicely, not with big splotches. You know, some sunless tanners wear off and you have big splotches where it wears off. The 2 I'm using just wear off evenly, but they do make me a little dry. And I had an after shower bath oil that I was using, and I realized it has soy in it. My breast cancer was hormone positive, therefore I'm not allowed to consume soy, and I really don't think, since this skin is the largest organ of the body, I should be slathering it on from here down after a shower because I have on sunless tanner. So I ran across this and I didn't look. I didn't read the ingredients. I didn't do my homework. I was in a hurry. The husband had we were somewhere, and I said, can you stop and let me run in the drugstore? Nivea, foaming oil moisturizing body wash. It feels buttery and silky and smooth on your skin, and it's just enough moisture that I don't need to put anything on after I rinse off and towel dry. And then I read the ingredients. There are 2 things I don't like about this Nivea. 1, it has soybean oil. The second, I can smell it from here. Sorry. It is so bold and pungent and strong and flowery, and it reminds me of Estee Lauder Youth Dew, that strong and bold smell. And I'm not throwing shade on Estee Lauder. They make my favorite eyeliner. But this, while you're in the shower or the tub, it permeates the room. After you rinse and towel dry, the smell goes away. But it's just strong. Very, very strong. And it has soybean oil in it. So if you have a foaming bath wash or an after shower bath oil that you love or even like that doesn't have soybean oil in it, please let me know what it is. Please, I would greatly appreciate it. That's all for today. I'm going to get off here and head out. After I do another video, I'm going to get off here and head out. Y'all have a great day. Make it a great day. It is always a great day to have a great day. And I'll be seeing y'all later. And happy Mother's Day. Bye now.